Prime News. On September 29, 2010, the Managing Director of BioAsli, Haji Ishaq Basiran, is going to Africa continent in his journey to enhance BioAsli business into 230 countries. He will introduce the great online business of BioAsli and its herbs products based on virgin coconut oil. He will be there for 2 weeks. BioAsli will hold a seminar in Al-Star Kedah at Dikli Hotel on 2nd of September 2010. This program will be held by BioAsli Elite Squad. Then, on September 5, 2010, successful business of BioAsli seminar will be held at Subang Bestari at BioAsli Stockist office. You are invited to join these programs. The fee for these programs is only RM10. For more information, please call Encik Jihan at 01723780001. Members and Stockist News. Now you can get BioAsli's product at your place from our Stockist. Here are their place and phone number. SB 971 Omar Sita bin Rustam from Putrajaya 01926228889. SB 970 SD Nasir bin SD Abdul Rahman from Setapak 01249276162. SB 969 Miss Ari bin Pitlun from Shah Alam 01367894414. SB 968 Husaini bin Hassan from Kota Baru 01994044228. SB 967 Rusitah binti Ismail from Sungai Buloh 01939162993. BioAsli is the global and online business. For more information or any comment, please call us at 0332138046 or 0332136148. You also can email us at desaku@streamix.com. Thank you for watching us at TV BioAsli. See you next time. Assalamualaikum.